and safe at your home. Kids, today we are going to start Term 3 book Maths. In this, we will start our chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is Calendar. Now kids, we will do our exercise here. We will start our first question, that is fill in the blanks. There are dash days in a week. Yes kids, tell me how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Dash is the 4th day of the week. Kids, what we will do, first we will write here weekdays. As you know, there are 7 days. We will start from Monday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and last one is Sunday. Okay kids, so here they are saying dash is the 4th day. Which one is the 4th day? See, Thursday. We will start from Monday and we can see 4th is Thursday. So we will write here Thursday. Okay. Thursday is the 4th day of the week. Tell me, dash comes between Monday and Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday. Between means बीच में. Monday और Wednesday के बीच में between कौन सा day आता है? Let's see. Monday and Wednesday. Which day comes between Monday and Wednesday? That is Tuesday. So we will write here Tuesday. Okay. The day comes before Sunday. Sunday से पहले कौन सा? Before means पहले. Sunday से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? See, Sunday से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? Saturday. So we will write here Saturday. Last one is our school remain closed. हमारा स्कूल बंद कब रहता है? On every Sunday. You know that. So write here Sunday. Okay kids? Now kids, we will do our second question, that is match the columns. Here 2 columns are given, column A and column B. Kids, here the name of the weekdays are given and here the number of days are given. We have to match. As I taught you that Monday is our first day. So start from Monday. Monday. Here we will match with the first day. So we will write here 1. Tuesday. Next day is Tuesday. So Tuesday is the second day. We will match and we will write here 2. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day. So we will write and match with third day here. We will write here 3. And after Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday is the 4th day of the week. So we will match Thursday with 4th day and we will write here number 4. After that, Friday will come. Friday is the 5th day. So we will match Friday with the 5th day and we will write here 5. After that, Saturday. Saturday is the 6th day of the week and we will write and match with the 6th day and we will write here 6. After that, 7th, Sunday. Sunday we will match with 7th day and we will write here 7. Our third question is write T for true and F for false. जो स्टेटमेंट हमारी ट्रू है उसके लिए हम टी लिखेंगे और जो स्टेटमेंट हमारी फॉल्स है उसके लिए हम एफ लिखेंगे. हियर Sunday is the first day of the week. संडे फर्स्ट डे होता है? लेट्स सी. See kids, no. Sunday is the seventh day. So we will write here F because this statement is false. Okay. Next is Saturday is the fifth day of the week. See, Saturday, no. Saturday is the sixth day. It is also false. So we will write here F again. Now third is Friday comes just after Thursday. Friday कब आते हैं? Thursday के बाद. Let's see. Thursday के बाद क्या है? Thursday, Friday. Yes, it's true. So we will write here T. T for true. Thursday comes in the middle of the week. Thursday बीच में आता है week के. Let's see. See kids. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There are 3 days above the Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days below the Thursday. In between, there is Thursday. So, this statement is true. So, we will write here T for true. Next one is, there are 12 months in a year. As we have already read in first class kid, you know that there are 12 months in a year. So we will write here T for true. Last one is, an ordinary year has 365 days. कितने दिन होते हैं साल में बच्चों? 365 days. 365 दिन. So this is also true. Okay kids? So kids, revise and do this question in your book. Have a nice day. Bye.